Starting with crypto mining has never been easier. Instead of spending hours researching hardware, terahashes and power consumption, just watch this simple tutorial. We'll cover everything from start to finish so you can start your very own crypto mining journey. Let's get right into it. If you're new here, my name is Tycho, and on this channel I go over everything crypto related. From the latest news to current hypes and the most profitable airdrops. So if you're interested in any of this, please consider joining the community by subscribing to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. As I mentioned at the start of this video, crypto mining has never been easier. And that's true, but not in the way you might expect. Yes, regular mining has become a lot simpler. Building specialized GPU mining rigs is no longer needed, as most mining is now done with ASIC miners. These have become incredibly affordable recently, with a basic at-home Caspa miner starting below $100. But there is a problem with this. To be able to run these ASIC miners profitably, you're going to need some incredibly cheap electricity. In most cases, your only option is to run these miners off of solar power, which not everyone has access to. But there is another way to profit off of crypto mining: cloud mining. With cloud mining, you can buy or rent an ASIC miner that is then hosted in a data center. You pay a base fee for the machine as well as a fee for electricity and maintenance. But these data centers are often located in places where electricity is incredibly cheap, so running a profit is a lot easier. Another great advantage of cloud mining is that you don't have to worry about miner maintenance, as this is often included in the hosting fee. All in all, cloud mining is way simpler, a lot cheaper, and thus way more profitable. So how do we get started cloud mining? A platform I can recommend is GoMining. GoMining sells mining machines in the form of NFTs. You can choose exactly how much power you want and how much money you're willing to spend. When you buy a miner through GoMining, the machine is yours forever. Now, as you might know, the Bitcoin mining difficulty is always increasing. And there's reward halvings, so in a couple of years your miner will become less profitable. But since these miners are NFTs, you can sell them whenever you want. If you've never tried cloud mining before, I can definitely recommend starting out with the 16 TH/s free bonus miner you can get through the first link in the description. With this miner, you'll be able to get a feel of the platform. You'll learn how to service your miner, how much they cost to run, and of course how much they can earn you. As I mentioned, you can also build your own miner on the GoMining platform. You can choose the hashing power as well as the energy efficiency. For now, the 20 watt per terahash option is the most profitable, but this might change in the future. The cheapest miner with 1 TH/s of mining power at an efficiency of 20 watt per terahash costs just $26. But we can make this even cheaper. If we go down here to the promo code section, we can enter the code PD04S to get an additional 5% discount off of our first miner purchase. And the first 25 people to use this code will be entered into a raffle to double their mining power. Just buy a miner on GoMining and leave your GoMining ID in the comment section of this video. Now that we've got a cloud mining machine, we're going to want to set everything up for maximum profits. The first thing I can recommend is paying your maintenance fees, so the fees for electricity and maintaining your miner in GoMining tokens. This instantly gets you a 5% discount on your fees. And the more tokens you hold, the higher this discount will become. If you choose to build a mining machine of at least 10 TH/s, you'll also get access to the reinvestment option. By turning this feature on, you can automatically upgrade your rigs with the profits from your mining machine. This way, you don't only get a 5% extra discount, but you also get compounding rewards. Your mining power grows every day, which means that you earn more tokens, which in turn means that your mining power starts growing even faster. Alright, let's sum it all up. The cheapest miner we can buy has an APY of around 45%, which we can boost to almost 50% by using the code PD04S. We can get a massive discount of up to 20% on maintenance fees by paying our fees in GoMining tokens and by holding at least 1 year worth of fees in our token wallet. Now we can get an additional 3% discount by servicing our miner every day. To do this, we just have to log in and click the service button. And finally, we can get a VIP discount of up to 6%. This VIP discount is based on how many miners you are running, so you can't really do anything about this. So with just these basic features, we'll already have a mining rig that pays us 55% in annual returns. And as long as the miner remains profitable, it will hold its value, which means that when we're done cloud mining, we can simply sell the miner and turn a profit in the first year. Now, I know, this was a lot of information in a very short amount of time, but I've actually made some more detailed videos on GoMining. If you're interested in learning exactly how to create the most profitable miner on GoMining, including a step-by-step tutorial, check out this video. Or if you're interested in my personal experience with GoMining, including how much miners I am running, as well as my exact earnings, you can check out the video here. For now, that's all I have to say. See you in the next video.